Acima Leasing Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but here's the truth. Leasing furniture, electronics, or appliances through a company like Acima in 2025 can either be a smart financial tool or a costly mistake depending on your approach. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Acima Leasing, including how it works, the benefits and risks, real-life examples, and whether it's worth it for you in 2025. Let's start with the basics. Acima Leasing is a lease-to-own company that allows consumers to acquire furniture, electronics, appliances, and other household essentials without needing a traditional credit check. Instead of paying the full purchase price upfront, you make small, regular lease payments over a set term, and at the end of that term, you have the option to own the item. Here's how Acima works step by step. 1. Application process ***. In 2025, applying for Acima is faster than ever. You submit an online application that only requires basic personal information. No hard credit inquiry is needed, making it accessible even for people with limited or poor credit history. Most applicants receive an instant decision, and you can start shopping immediately. 2. Shopping and leasing ***. Once approved, you can shop at participating retailers or directly through Acima's online portal. You select the item you want, and Acima provides a lease plan that outlines your weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly payment schedule. This plan also includes an optional buyout agreement that allows you to own the item at the end of the lease term. 3. Flexible payment plans ***. One of Acima's strengths is flexibility. You can often choose payment frequency and adjust your payment amounts within certain limits, which is helpful if your income varies. In 2025, many users rely on Acima for essentials when cash flow is tight or unexpected expenses arise. 4. No credit needed ***. Traditional financing often requires good credit, but Acima's model is designed to serve those who may not qualify for credit cards or loans. This opens doors for renters, gig workers, or anyone looking to acquire needed household items without undergoing a credit check. 5. Purchase option ***. At the end of your lease, Acima gives you the option to purchase the item for a predetermined price. This price can vary depending on your total payments and the length of the lease term. In some cases, early purchase options are available if you want to own the item sooner. Now let's talk about the *** benefits of using Acima Leasing in 2025 ***. Accessibility ***. Acima makes it possible for people without established credit or with poor credit to access essential goods. This can be crucial for families, students, or individuals just starting out financially. No hard credit pulls ***. Many consumers fear applying for credit because a hard inquiry can temporarily lower their score. Acima uses a soft pull, which doesn't impact your credit score, making it a safe option for credit-sensitive individuals. Flexible payments ***. The ability to select payment schedules and amounts can be particularly valuable for those with variable income, such as freelancers, gig workers, or small business owners. Quick approval ***. Unlike traditional financing that can take days or weeks, Acima often provides instant approval, which is ideal for urgent needs like replacing a broken appliance or furnishing a new apartment. Optional ownership ***. Unlike renting, Acima provides a path to ownership. If you make all payments, you can eventually own the item, which distinguishes it from purely short-term rental agreements. However, it's important to weigh the *** potential drawbacks ***. Cost over time ***. Lease-to-own agreements often come with higher overall costs compared to paying upfront or using traditional financing. You're paying for flexibility and accessibility, but the total outlay can exceed retail price, especially if you stretch payments over a long term. Fees and penalties ***. Missing payments can result in fees or even repossession of your leased items. Unlike traditional credit, where a late fee may be the only consequence, with Acima, failing to meet lease obligations could mean losing the item altogether. Limited consumer protections ***. Since this is a lease and not a traditional loan, some consumer protections, like extended warranties or dispute rights, may differ from standard credit purchases. Impact on budget ***. While Acima provides flexibility, it's still a recurring payment commitment. Users must be disciplined to avoid straining their monthly budget, especially if multiple items are leased simultaneously. Let's examine some real-world examples. Sarah, a recent college graduate, needed essential furniture for her first apartment but didn't have credit history. She leased a couch, dining set, and bed through Acima, paying weekly amounts that fit her part-time income. After a year of consistent payments, she purchased the items outright. While she paid slightly more than retail, she avoided high-interest loans and built a positive payment history for her budgeting. Tom, a delivery driver, needed a new refrigerator after his old one failed. He used Acima's lease-to-own program to get a replacement immediately. Because he missed 2 payments early in the term, Acima issued fees and temporarily suspended the appliance's lease status, emphasizing the importance of consistent payments. He later caught up and completed the lease, but this example illustrates the importance of budgeting for lease commitments. A young couple, Lisa and Marcus, leased a television and sound system through Acima. They appreciated the flexibility and no credit needed approach, but in hindsight, they realized they could have saved money by using a traditional credit card with a 0% introductory APR. This highlights the need to compare options before committing. In 2025, is Acima Leasing worth it? The answer depends on your financial situation and priorities. If you need immediate access to essential items, have limited or poor credit, and want flexible payments, Acima can be a powerful tool. It provides access, convenience, and a path to ownership that traditional rental services don't offer. If you have good credit, can save upfront, or have access to low-interest credit cards or personal loans, traditional purchasing may be more cost-effective in the long run. It's also worth noting that using Acima responsibly can complement your broader financial strategy. For example, combining Acima Leasing with budgeting apps or cash flow management tools can help you avoid late fees, plan payments effectively, and eventually own the items without financial stress. Tips for maximizing Acima in 2025. 1. Set a realistic payment plan. Choose payment amounts and frequency that align with your income. Avoid overcommitting, especially if your earnings fluctuate month to month. 2. Track your lease obligations. Use budgeting software or calendar reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. Missing payments can be costly and impact your ability to purchase the item at the end of the lease. 3. Compare costs. Before leasing, calculate the total cost over the lease term and compare it to traditional financing or cash payment. This helps you understand the true cost of convenience. 4. Plan for ownership. Decide in advance whether you intend to purchase the item. This will influence whether you choose a longer, smaller payment lease or a shorter, more aggressive payment schedule. 5. Avoid multiple leases at once. While Acima allows multiple leases, taking on too many items simultaneously can strain your budget and increase the risk of missed payments. In conclusion, Acima Leasing in 2025 is best viewed as a tool for accessibility and flexibility rather than a cost-saving method. It's particularly valuable for those with limited credit access or urgent needs. The key is to approach it strategically, understand the total cost, set realistic payments, and stay disciplined with your lease obligations. Done correctly, Acima can help you acquire essential items and even build responsible financial habits along the way. The takeaway is simple. Acima is worth it if you need a safe, flexible way to access and eventually own items without traditional credit. But if your goal is purely to minimize costs, other financing options may be more economical. Understanding your priorities and planning your payments is critical to leveraging Acima successfully in 2025. If this review helped you understand the ins and outs of Acima Leasing, like, subscribe, and comment below with your questions or experiences. Remember, responsible use of lease-to-own services can enhance your financial flexibility, but awareness and discipline are key to avoiding costly mistakes.